So guys, open any browser to Google search box, and Google search box to type Lenovo LOQ driver download, and go to this first link, right click to new tab, and you can see this pc support.lenovo.com is officially website. You can download the driver. So first guys, you can see this is automatic. So you just click to scan. You click to scan, now have to pc automatically scan and detect a driver, require driver and update. Okay. Second, this is manual. So select this. Okay, the all driver are available. So audio. So this is audio driver. Click to download. It will only start. So wait few seconds. Then click to setup of audio driver. Then yes. Okay, I accept. Next, install. Now you can see this is extracting and data and installing. So guys, this is successfully audio driver installed. Then click to OK and then finished. Then restart your system.